Many people who enjoy Bhutanese food also appreciate the country's emphasis on sustainability and the use of organic, locally sourced ingredients. Bhutanese cuisine is also appreciated by those who are drawn to spicy foods. The country's national dish, emadachi, is a spicy stew made with chili peppers and cheese. Many other Bhutanese dishes also incorporate chili peppers or other spicy ingredients, giving the cuisine a distinctive kick. Overall, people who love Bhutanese cuisine appreciate its unique flavor profile, simplicity, and connection to Bhutanese culture and history. They are often drawn to the cuisine's emphasis on fresh, local ingredients and sustainability, as well as its spicy kick. Bhutan cuisine is mainly cooked in traditional kitchens or stoves, which are called changangs. These changangs are made up of mud, stone, and wood and are mostly found in rural areas. The kitchen is usually located in a separate building, away from the living quarters, and the heat generated from the cooking process helps to warm up the house during the winter months. Bhutanese cuisine is heavily influenced by the country's geographical location, as well as its Buddhist culture. The cuisine uses a lot of simple, organic ingredients like red and white rice, buckwheat, maize, barley, and vegetables like radishes, spinach, pumpkins, and tomatoes. Bhutanese cuisine also features a lot of spices and herbs like ginger, garlic, chili peppers, and coriander. Most Bhutanese meals are eaten with a side of emadachi, which is a spicy chili cheese dish and a staple in the Bhutanese diet. Another popular dish is jasha maru, which is a spicy chicken curry, often served with buckwheat noodles. The traditional Bhutanese dish, called suja, is made from tea leaves, salt, and butter and is a must-try when visiting Bhutan. Bhutanese people take great pride in their cuisine, and cooking is considered an art form. Bhutanese women, in particular, are skilled in cooking and are taught the art of cooking from a young age. In many Bhutanese households, women are responsible for preparing the meals while men take care of the livestock and work in the fields. Bhutanese people also love to entertain guests with their cuisine, and hospitality is an important part of their culture. It is common for guests to be welcomed into the home with a cup of suja or butter tea, followed by a full meal of traditional Bhutanese dishes. Apart from homes, Bhutanese cuisine is also cooked in restaurants and hotels, where traditional dishes are prepared by experienced chefs. The restaurants in Bhutan often have a cozy and rustic atmosphere, with wooden interiors and traditional Bhutanese decor. Visitors to Bhutan can also enjoy local cuisine at food festivals held across the country throughout the year. In recent years, Bhutanese cuisine has gained recognition outside of Bhutan and has become a popular food trend. Many restaurants in major cities around the world now offer Bhutanese dishes on their menus, and food bloggers and travel writers have started to feature Bhutanese cuisine in their articles. In conclusion, Bhutanese cuisine is cooked in traditional kitchens called changangs and heavily influenced by the country's geography and Buddhist culture. It uses simple, organic ingredients like rice, maize, barley, and vegetables, with a variety of spices and herbs. Bhutanese people take great pride in their cuisine, and cooking is considered an art form. Hospitality is an important part of their culture, and guests are welcomed with a cup of suja or butter tea and a full meal of traditional Bhutanese dishes. Bhutanese cuisine has gained recognition outside of Bhutan, and has become a popular food trend in recent years. In addition to household cooking, Bhutanese cuisine is also found in traditional restaurants known as zae. These restaurants can be found throughout Bhutan and are popular gathering places for locals and tourists alike. They offer a variety of dishes ranging from simple vegetarian fare to elaborate meat dishes.